Just combine everything together so it blend. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some fried rice, shrimp fried rice. So this is my shrimp. This is the size of it. These are all my seasoning. You have black pepper, you have salt, you have all-purpose seasoning, you have fish seasoning, you have soy sauce, and these are all my mixed vegetable. And you're also gonna need your cooked rice. So this is 2 cups of basmati rice. So this is what it look like. It is very hot because I just remove it from the stove. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season my prawns. It's already washed, so it's clean. So I'm using 1 teaspoonful of all-purpose seasoning and 1 teaspoonful of the fish seasoning and half a teaspoonful of black pepper and half a teaspoonful of salt. So I'm just gonna add it to my shrimp and give it a stir. Just make sure it's not watery. Make sure you remove all the water from the shrimp so it's dry. So my shrimp is all seasoned now, and this is what it looks like. Just make sure all the seasoning is on the shrimp. That's very important. And I'm also gonna use egg with my fried rice. It is totally optional, but I choose to use it. So I'm only using 3. So in this pot that I have at least 3 spoonfuls of vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my shrimp. And I'm gonna allow it to fry at least 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So now I'm gonna turn my shrimp now. Make sure it's nice and golden. So my shrimp is finally finished. So now I'm gonna remove it. So now I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable. As you can see, I haven't washed my pot because this is where all the flavor is. So I'm just gonna pour my mixed vegetable in my pot. And you're gonna allow it to fry for at least 3 to 4 minutes. So now I'm gonna remove my mixed vegetable. So now I'm gonna fry my egg. So in this pot I have 1 spoonful of vegetable oil. So now I'm gonna add my eggs to the pot. And I'm also gonna add some salt and some black pepper. Just gonna turn it. Just make sure it's nice and fluffy. So now I'm gonna remove my eggs now. So now I'm gonna do my rice. So in this pot here, I've got at least 3 spoonfuls of oil. So now I'm gonna add my rice to the pot. I'm gonna leave it to fry, guys, for at least 5 minutes. So my rice is finished fry. So now I'm gonna add my soy sauce. And make sure your stove is on medium so the rice doesn't burn. So just blend it all in. So this is a lot of rice, guys, so it's gonna take some time to blend. And if it need any more soya sauce, guys, you can always add more soya sauce to it. So now I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable. That looks so good, right? Looking so yummy. And I'm also gonna add my eggs. And I'm also gonna add some spring onions. Just combine everything together so it blends. And I'm just gonna add just a teaspoon of salt. And guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add some sweet chili to it. But it's totally optional, but I'm gonna add it to it. It's gonna give it such a nice sweet flavor. So I'm just gonna add around 3 spoonfuls. And finally, I'm gonna add my prawns. I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for at least 3 minutes and then it finish. Hi guys, so my shrimp fried rice is finally finished and this is what it look like. It's looking absolutely delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.